Okay, here's today's detailing project. This SS Camaro. It's pretty bad. We detailed this about 1.5 years ago and he has not washed it since. 1.5 years of no washes. So, yeah, serious bugs on the front. And we've got some sap on the stripes here. We'll try to get off this matte finish. And then of course cleaning of the wheels. Those are actually silver wheels, they just don't look like it. And then all this grime and tar that has flipped up on the sides here. Look at this. So anyway, but this is why we're in business, is to take care of once beautiful cars like this and get them back into shape. Looks like he hit something here, scrub the dirt, so there'll obviously be some scratches under there. We'll try to take care of that when we polish it. Get this dude back in shape. Okay, here's the finished product. Got this Camaro back in shape here. The front all clean and shiny, of course. We got the sap off of the decals, these matte decals, got them all off without causing any damage, which is important because they're really delicate. And then the wheels, of course, nice and shiny. See the shine on the outside. Now I got it cleaned, polished, clay, so it's all decontaminated, so you can see the reflection of the horizon there. Looking good, even on a dark, cloudy day. This thing really shines up nice.